In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search old conversations in ChatGPT. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly to find something you discussed before, this will save you time and help you jump straight back into the right thread. Start by looking at the left sidebar. This is the area where your recent chats are listed, and it's your home base for navigating past conversations. On this sidebar, find the magnifying glass icon. This icon represents search chats, and it's the quickest way to locate older conversations without digging through the entire list. Click the magnifying glass, and you'll see a small menu open up. This menu includes a search field dedicated to your chat history. Think of it as your personal archive tool. It's designed to help you quickly find exactly what you need, whether it's a project you were working on, a helpful answer you got last week, or a reference you want to revisit. Now, type a word or phrase you remember from the conversation you want to find. This could be a specific topic, a term you used, or a short snippet you recall. As you enter your query, conversations that match will appear, letting you zero in on the right thread in seconds. You don't have to be perfect. Start with a simple keyword and refine if needed. Using distinctive words works best. If your first attempt doesn't surface what you want, try a different term you're likely to have used in that chat. You'll notice that the results reflect your search immediately, so you can scan what comes up and recognize the conversation by its title or the context shown. If nothing appears, it usually means the query is too specific or misspelled. Try broadening it slightly or correcting the spelling. When the search field is empty again, your full chat list returns, so you can move between searching and browsing effortlessly. That's really all there is to it. The left sidebar is your starting point. The magnifying glass icon opens the search menu, and the search field helps you find the conversation you want by matching your query to your chat history. Keep this flow in mind anytime you need to revisit something you've already discussed. It's a simple habit that makes your workspace feel organized and responsive. Thanks for watching. With this quick approach, you can spend less time hunting for past answers and more time getting things done.